thing you want to make sure that you got is some drum sounds. So I got some drum sounds. If I look at the sequence, I'm about at 60.67 right there. I got that loop on there, but I haven't been using that loop, so I'm going to erase that off and clear that pad because I don't really use that loop. But you just got some basic sounds.
You got to be placed. You got to be.
Yeah. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. Beat making video. Yeah, your feedback is appreciated. Subscribe is the best feedback. So if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. All right, let's go right into it. So I'm just going to start with the basic. This is the basic middle of the summer type beat. You know, slow, easy. So I got other sequences on this, and so instead of changing my mix, if I want to adjust the volume on it, I use the 16 levels and find a velocity that fits. I'm mixing on headphones right now, so I don't know quite exactly how it relates to the room, but we're just gonna keep going. And we're gonna bring that kick in like this. Right. And I might do some counter hats or whatever. Bring that. And I will use that 16. And I got it on the 16 levels right there. Hit shift to change the type of 16 levels you want on there. We're going to come back out of that by hitting the 16 levels. And just add layers. All right, so that's kind of basic the beat right there. So I'm going to use the sample. You recognize it. So I chopped it up. So I got that. So, you know, what I do is I kind of fill the chops out and kind of figure out something that's real easy that fits. It's a noisy sample. So what I want to do is fill it out. So I'm going to practice my chops before I sequence them into the MPC. So. That feels good. The sequence is only 2 bars. So I'm going to kind of create a turnaround there. So I'm going to duplicate the sequence by holding shift, double sequence. Now we're at a 4-bar sequence. I can go back to the sample, get back into the chop because there's like a turnaround there. And then we just kind of sequence in from the top. 3 and. Okay, so to do more with the other chops, I'm going to go back to the sample, and I'm going to erase the events by coming out of chop, hold down sample and sequence. They're blinking. I want to hold down erase, and it's going to erase only the events, not the sample that I have on that pad. And I'm going to double that sequence by 2 more. So now I should have 8 bars in the sequence. That way I can do those extra turnarounds that I want to do. All right, let's do it from the top. 2, 3, and... Right. Okay. I'm going to go back to my main bank, which is bank A, because I do have other sequences in this loaded project. And I'm going to see if I can find a way to get that 808 sample to fit with the key of it. So I'm going to make sure that I'm on pitch. And I'm going to make that 808 match that cadence of the chop and the kick drum. And here we go. And I don't even know what it's about to do. And that's a cool thing right there. You can combine that. You can combine other melodies. I don't really got too many melodies loaded up on here right now. Let's check that sample out again. And you can kind of fool around with that filter if you want to. Bring it back, bring drums in and out. Add whatever you want to it. And so that's making a hip-hop beat on the MPC Sample using purely samples. Sample whatever you want. Leverage the sampling capability of this. You may not have the same ability as melodics or, you know, playing the melodies and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to pre-make your melodies or record them in here. Give me your feedback. Your best feedback for me is a subscribe on the channel. If you like this, you ain't even got to say nothing. Just subscribe. That'll let me know. Or just say something in the comments, but pretty much like to get a subscribe and get to the end of this road. Help me to get to that 100K. Help me get up, you know, move on to better things. All right. So thank y'all for watching. Akai MPC Sample with DAW T2K. Let's go.